This is surprisingly high quality for its price. It's very helpful for you. Ugh. Hi Joes! So we're here again for another portion of unboxing. And this time we'll be unboxing our very first vlogging kit. As I mentioned before, we actually got the DJI OM5 for free because I used the points from my credit cards, which I ordered online. And I felt like I can have a little bit of extra to purchase our very first vlogging kit. Of course, from time to time, I always want our vlogs to just keep getting better and better. Kailangan progress lang tayo ng progress if we can, diba? So now we will be unveiling the Boya By-Vg350 Ultimate Smartphone Video Kit. As you can see, may tag price pa dito, which is 690 Hong Kong dollars. It includes a portable light clip-on to the phone and the tripod. And you can use it for portrait and landscape mode. Pag ganyan, portrait, and then once you push it up, then it goes on the landscape, obviously. And a mic as well. So I think it's really worth it for the price. So, and of course, I've seen a lot of vlogging kit on YouTube product reviews, but they're kind of expensive, and most of them are also a little bit hard to find here in Hong Kong. So when I saw this, while we were looking for not an extension cord, but a replacement cord for the Boya mic, so we can use it to the phone, which is what we're using right now, so nabili din natin yon. And then we found this. So there's actually one more that they had in the store, but it actually doesn't include the light. They said this is a new one, which they've included the light na. So yeah, we were happy about this purchase, and let's see what's inside.
Some stickers, like what they do for Apple products. I think Boya is a Chinese brand.
A Chinese company called Shenzhen Jiage Photo Industrial Ltd. Boya. And what do we have here? Oh, there's a warranty card. Boya provides 1-year warranty under normal use and lifelong paid maintenance from the date you purchase this product. So make sure you keep the receipt.
Instruction, product structure.
Okay, so we have the furry windscreen. There are 2 outlets here, output and input. On. A charging port, on and off switch. These are 3 power sets for how strong you want the lights are. Let's see, the lowest one. And the middle, click. Okay, not bad. This is the mic holder. And then, oh, it's actually metal. The quality is really, really nice. Oh, wow! This is surprisingly high quality for its price.
These parts are made of metal, so they're kind of a little bit heavy, on the heavy side. But this is not bad, oh my gosh. And then this one. And last but not the least, are your mic connectors, microphone, smartphone, and this one just says microphone. So I think this is supposed to be for some phones that still have the jack, which is like this, like the old headphones from Apple. But we have the adapter, so this should be fine.
Two ways to use this tripod is first, on this size, you put it on top of the table and you record right in front of it. Or if you need an extension, then you use this extension rod to make it longer.
So that's it for our unboxing and first impressions of the Boya By-Vg350, the ultimate smartphone video kit. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thank you so much, Joes. See you again.